Experience building the capacity to empathize and agree. Empathy and agreement are important skills for any successful person. Being able to empathize and agree with others can help you to build strong relationships and can help you to better handle difficult situations. Here are some tips for building empathy and agreement. Listen. Listening is an important part of building empathy and agreement. Make sure to listen to what the other person is saying and make sure to understand their point of view. Show your interest in what they say by asking questions and making eye contact. Ask questions. Asking questions is an important part of building empathy and agreement. Make sure to ask questions to gain more information and to clarify any misunderstandings. This will help you to gain a better understanding of the other person and can help you to build a stronger relationship. Practice empathy. Practicing empathy is an important step in building empathy and agreement. Make sure to put yourself in the other person's shoes and try to understand their perspective. This will help you to gain a better understanding of the other person and can help you to build a stronger relationship. Validate feelings. Validating feelings is an important part of building empathy and agreement. Make sure to acknowledge the other person's feelings and be willing to accept them. This will help to create a positive atmosphere and can help you to build a stronger relationship. Find common ground. Finding common ground is an important part of building empathy and agreement. Make sure to look for areas of agreement and focus on them. This will help to create a positive atmosphere and can help you to build a stronger relationship. Practice self-awareness. Practicing self-awareness is an important part of building empathy and agreement. Take some time to reflect on your own thoughts and feelings and be aware of how they might affect the other person. This can help you to gain a better understanding of the other person and can help you to build a stronger relationship. Seek professional help. If you're having difficulty building empathy and agreement, it may be helpful to seek professional help. A therapist or counselor can provide guidance and help you to identify and address the source of the difficulty. By following these steps, you can build empathy and agreement. Listen, ask questions, practice empathy, validate feelings, find common ground, practice self-awareness, and seek professional help. With the right attitude and effort, you can become adept empathizing and agreeing with others and can help you to build strong relationships. Empathy and agreement are important skills in both personal and professional settings. They involve the ability to understand and share the feelings of others and find common ground to reach mutually beneficial agreements. Developing empathy and agreement requires experience and practice. In this article, we will explore the importance of experience in building empathy and agreement and some ways to develop these skills. Experience in building empathy and agreement involves learning from past experiences and applying that knowledge to future situations. It is the ability to recognize patterns and identify common ground to reach mutually beneficial agreements. It also involves developing the skills necessary to understand and share the feelings of others, such as active listening, observation, and attention to detail. One of the most important aspects of building empathy and agreement is practicing active listening. Active listening involves paying close attention to the words, tone, and nonverbal cues of others, and responding appropriately. It also involves asking questions to clarify understanding and demonstrating empathy through verbal and nonverbal cues. Another important aspect of building empathy and agreement is developing observation skills.